Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. It was the fourth day of OMNI the long and grueling OMNI. You guys did great. It's, I don't know, 1:30, 1:40 in the morning on, I think it's Monday night. And I thought I would show you something that I recognized while I was running my OMNI. So, this is video 2886 coming at you for trading on Tuesday, March 25th, 2025. Please remember how risky this game is. Risky, 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 risky. Please put your stops in first. Don't be a victim out there with no insurance policy on a really expensive position. Make sure you put your stops in. So, traders, we are looking at the Dow Jones Daily. You've seen this in many videos ever since the double top produced the market drop. Boom, 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 down we went. This is no longer neutral. OMNI has turned bullish. We have a green OMNI. It wants us to buy dips. So the market did what it was supposed to do after the double top, really because they stopped lowering interest rates and we had to adjust, and down we went. So we adjusted. Then I came out right down here with the V bottom attempt videos and said, now if we can get above the 200, that'd be great, but staying below that 200 ball moving average is a serious issue because it was below for one attempt, fell back, 2 attempts, 3 attempts, 4 attempts, not good. But look what happened since. Above, baby. We are above the 200 ball moving average right now. And that is big. Let's make that green. We are above the 200 ball moving average right now. Look at that bad boy. So, you know the street is watching that. The V bottom attempt is working. OMNI flip-flopping. Remember all the flip-flopping from here to here? We're supposed to vacate the area. That's what that means. Well, look what's happening. We've gapped up already. So you see the V-bottom type thing happening. Now we're above the 200. If you look at it on something like the Russell, you've got the same V-bottom shaping up right now. Russell's starting to run up a little bit, so the Russell V-bottom is working. But another really exciting thing happened that I can't wait to show you. Look at this. This is cool. Look what happened here. Do you know how many times we failed at this average? Failure. Can't even get to it. Let me make this smaller. Failure. Can't even get to it. Failure. 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 Boom! Look where we are. I'm giving that a round of applause, kids. I love the Bitcoin over that average. So Bitcoin is above the average now. Let's just say boom. That's a beautiful thing. We'll make that some kind of color. There we go. So now, above the average here, you've seen what it looks like, right? I showed you the Dow. We're now above the 200. You've got the V bottom in Russ, and OMNI is looking to buy the dips. I wanted to show that to you because I know it's very important for you to see this. I'm really tired. I worked really hard for the last 4 days, but it was absolutely worth it. The Omniacs were great at OMNI. And you, of course, I've tried to keep you appraised of everything that I see going on. This is all good, what I showed you here, and the OMNI wants to buy dips. I hope that helps you for trading on Tuesday. Now remember this. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to these videos. Thank you so much.